there was a country by Chinua Achebe. Now I have come to realize that particular word, there was a country. Nigeria Constitution and Nigerian law are meant for the Southeast, South-South, and Southwest. Nigeria Constitution, Nigerian law never in any way affect or gas side in the North. Northerners does not practice Nigerian law. Law of Nigeria no dey affect them. Or they may affect. Bandits we are spotted carrying AK-47. No troop in, now about financial oppression. Nigeria police with the uniform. No, bye-bye. Jenu Goma, Naboni. Just like we are small children are saying bye-bye to aeroplane. Bye-bye. When you are coming back, make sure you kidnap people. And when you kidnap people, if they pay ransom, make sure you give us our own. Bye-bye. Now the video leak here. The next thing I agree on the vigilante. Vigilante with Okada and AK-47. Now I got it. Mwagoli wa Buru GLE 63. God bless it with GLE 63S. GLE 53. GLE 43. Buru no SUV Lexus. Nature East. You will encounter 450 checkpoints from Lagos to Onitsha. If you may encounter 450 checkpoints, that is what I tell you. Nigerian law and constitution, nde merebu Yoruba Southeast, ndi Igbo na ndi Yoruba na ndi South, na ndi Middle Belt. Northerners, nothing concerned with Nigeria constitution. And tomorrow, you will tell me that we are one. What makes us one? That law always work na Igbo. Law na run na Middle Belt. Law na run na South, and even West. Law ada run na North. It's not one. The only thing that will bring peace and unity in Nigeria, I have said it before, but let me repeat myself again. It's a very simple task. It's not even Igbo man being president that will bring peace in Nigeria. The only thing that will bring peace in Nigeria is let Southeast have one governor general that will be taking the affairs of Southeast. Use whatever you get in the Southeast, develop Southeast, bring return to Abuja. Let Southwest have governor general of Southwest. Use your resources, develop Southwest, and bring the reports to get to Abuja. Northerners, use what you have, develop Northern region, and bring the reports to Abuja. We have one central president and 3 governor general. Everybody maintain no. Even the Southeast, we will have our own law that will be guiding Southeast. Yoruba will have their own law that will be guiding them. And also we have their own law, just like in America. The law in Texas is not the same law in California. It's not the same law in New Jersey. It's not the same law in Mississippi. It's not the same law in Baltimore. It's not the same law in Washington, D.C. Every state have their own law. And still, and they will take report in a general body. That is the only thing that will bring peace. Law equal na bandit and the bandit. No, I get by hanging. Everybody maintain no orderliness. Brugada no latest Highlander Prado. No with the halos. Gafe go ore. Beneath police people, you use you and do pepper soup. Go down nature from our nature to Owerri. You encounter like 80 checkpoints. Get it out check. Where there is bandit, you will not go and checkmate bandit. Tackle them, wipe them, flush them. And anybody wrong way peaceful. Where everything from our nature. Well, will I blame them? How will I blame them? I blame the governor, not at the state. If governor this serious, only that I don't want to see anything roadblock in anywhere. But because Guinea, I haven't daily, I not to egu. Because Guinea, I don't want to work Kakai. To form on to Hiala. Checkpoint here, Jew, causing traffic on the road one night. And they could lose other Baba. Park off right traffic. Christmas, you will remain there for 8 hours. 8 hours from Nigeria to Dubai. How many hours? Where you go to Dubai? You go to traffic no. You see about the same thing. You see everywhere checkpoint. Man, if you don't have nothing, Nugu outside to Wasamoto. You know you talking Muchianya, no roadblock, no checkpoint. And you can check it. Whereby have you asked yourself? A break ammunition say about Nigeria. Donald Trump need to come for our rescue. We have constant control general. But what are they controlling? Broad daylight right in their nose. Ammunition not about Nigeria. Have you asked yourself, Kebo they say about ammunition? Egbe na abata, adebata obu ni igwe. Steady. Onye na-emenda in power. The same seaport and a checkmate. I said the same seaport and the same wharf in about you cost 17 million, 20 million for your container. The same wharf can contain a I see this one, no examination. Oh, when you in Nigeria, everything about Facebook. He just a wharf, he got for container, no examination. What does that mean? CMNS searching, no examination. Have you asked yourself all this border in this about another religion? And everybody say egbe. Umazi na egbe si egbe, na egbe kala. Nwa amuru ofu akusuko na anya be chemblet no. Ebe na adi Igbo. Are they more oppressed? One police officer stopped me yesterday. Same particulars in Gosie. This one in Gosie. This one in Gosie. The next one, John, what do you do for a living? I know. Now, the kind verse what I take change for them. Now, the kind verse what I thought I say, who do you have any right to ask me what do I do for a living? Did you give me work? In tomorrow? You have searched my papers, everything complete. So why asking me what do I do for a living? And I do what am I doing for a living? In Nigeria, join the bandits. Or say we go to station, see okay, if we no go station, I don't say you know be officer. We must go that station. When you see say I dey on my right, or say I carry your wahala they go. Say you too say carry your wahala they go. Why are you asking me what am I doing for a living? In your tomorrow, did you give me work? Did you provide job for me? And I don't what do I do for a living? Because if somebody or they fresh, the next thing is attack you Yahoo. Anybody the fresh now is able to be Yahoo. If you are driving nice car, you're a Yahoo. If they fresh, you're a Yahoo. Nigerians always derive joy when seeing their citizens gnashing teeth, suffering, crying. I go online. Nigeria will be very, very happy. But when you go outside Nigeria and make your money come back, they fresh. The next knows what do you do for a living? Can I see your passport? Can I see your ID card? Can I see this? Can I see that? This country, anybody who supports evil in this country, government of this country, one with that evil, that's not one I support. Yeah, be a Obasi street.